Jet setter, go getter, nothing better. Call me Mr. Been that, done that. Top model chick to your everyday hood rat. Less than all, but more than a few, but I never met one like you. Been all over the world, done a little bit of everything, little bit of everywhere, with a little bit of everyone. But all the girls I've been with, things I've seen, it takes much to impress. But sure enough, your glow, it makes your soul stand out from all the rest. Baby, I could be in love, but I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't